How to fabricate small diameter holes. If you need to create very small diameter holes, around 0.005 inch, 0.13 mm diameter, conventional twist drilling is tricky. Here's how to get good results. You will use a piece of wire as a mold or core. Steps. 1. Use a conventional twist drill to make a hole that is 6 to 10 times the diameter of finished hole diameter. In this case, for a finished hole of 0.005, the hole might have a diameter of 0.062. This is possible using a standard hand drill or drill press. 2. Prepare some epoxy, the kind that is like putty. One product that works is called PC7 for high heat applications. 3. Fill the hole that was drilled with an amount of epoxy putty to create a plugged hole. 4. Using a piece of piano wire or guitar string of the desired hole diameter, coat with some motor oil or grease and gently push the wire into the putty that is in the oversized hole. Leave some wire to grab onto. Use as short a piece of wire as possible to keep it lightweight. Position the wire as close to the center of the drilled hole as possible when putting the wire into the soft epoxy putty. 5. Allow the epoxy to harden as per instructions. 6. When the epoxy has hardened, carefully pull the wire, using pliers or grippers, from the epoxy to expose the small diameter hole. Tips. The length of the small diameter should be kept as short as possible as to allow wire to be pulled out. Alternate method used to create a small diameter, 0.005 plus, in the end of copper tubing in the size range of 1/8 to 1/4 inch. Insert the wire into the end of tubing, then crush the tubing using pliers or a vise where the wire is inserted. Finish using a hammer just at the end of the tubing to form the copper around the wire. Then pull the wire from the end of tubing. If you need more precision or cannot use epoxy in your application, you may also be able to achieve tiny holes by laser cutting, wire EDM, electrostatic discharge machining, photochemical etching, water jet cutting, and other methods. Talk to your local job shops that specialize in these operations, and they can tell you the best approach for your application.